BindPlan OP enterprise users have access to an audit trail that provides full visibility into all of the changes being made to your configurations, your users, or when rollouts occur. So let me show you how to access this. From BindPlan, go to Settings, choose Audit Logs. There we go. You'll see a table of all of your change history. You'll see we've got a resource type that shows you, was this a rollout, a processor change, perhaps a user was created. You can filter by configuration or by user. And of course, you can filter by date as well. If you need to export this BindPlan from BindPlan, just choose Export CSV, and you're all set. All right, I'll catch you in the next one.